Chris here from IPD, and I'm sitting in the back of an 850 wagon. And I'm going to bring you a helpful hint here about how to repair your rear tailgate panel. For any 850 or 70 series wagon owner, I definitely know that you hate the annoyance of having the rear tailgate panel flopping around while you're driving. It creaks, it squeaks, it's no fun. It's definitely a distraction. This rear tailgate panel is held in with a series of plastic clips that go around the outer diameter. Now over time, those clips break. More likely they break because of failed tailgate rear shocks. That allows the tailgate to slam a little harder. Now over time, with that slamming and opening and closing of the rear tailgate, those plastic clips break, allowing the rear tailgate panel to flop around. So we've got a quick fix that we're going to show you today. Repairing your rear tailgate panel is relatively simple. IPD includes detailed instructions for each model specified. Naturally, with all the clips breaking, the removal is halfway done. All you've got to do is remove a few more pieces, and I wanted to mention that the rear latch cover is made out of plastic. To remove the tailgate panel from the vehicle, you do have to take off this rear latch cover. The latch cover is made out of plastic, it's very brittle, so we recommend using a bone tool, or an interior tool is what we like to call it. You can wedge this in between the actual latch plastic and the panel and pry the tabs out, so that way the latch cover comes off and the rest of the panel can come down. Now that the tailgate panel is off the car, we're going to go over to a bench here and we're going to start showing you how to reinforce some of the retainers on the back of the tailgate piece itself. Now that we have our rear tailgate panel on the bench, as you can see there's a series of tabs that go around the outer perimeter of the tailgate panel that hold it to the rear tailgate. Now the common failure point on these pieces is these plastic retainers at the top of the rear tailgate panel usually break. Over time these can crack, they get weak, and then it's not able to hold the clip that positions this up against the back of the tailgate panel. So what IPD has done is they supply a new reinforcement plate that sits over the top of these pieces that gets screwed in with little sheet metal screws, and now you've got a durable point for the clip to hold on to, which keeps the tailgate panel secure to the rear tailgate. On the rear tailgate panel itself, it's got 4 areas where the clips go into to hold the tailgate panel to the tailgate. I'm going to go ahead and repair those first. Now we're finished installing the new retaining tab or reinforcement tab that sits over the top of the plastic retainer that usually breaks on the back of the tailgate panel. Inside of our reinforcement kit, we also include a series of clips that actually go around the outer perimeter of the tailgate panel. The top ones will actually go onto the back of the tailgate into a slight channel, and then we'll eventually pop these over this clip to hold the tailgate panel to the tailgate itself. Before we actually take the tailgate panel over to the rear of the tailgate for installation, we're going to go ahead and pre-install the clips that sit on the bottom portion of the tailgate panel. These clips are supplied in the kit, and they simply slide into the retainers that are already on the back of the tailgate panel. We just finished installing the clips on the bottom of the tailgate panel, but before we install it, we need to install the clips that actually go into these little holders on the back of the tailgate itself. Now that all the reinforcement tabs and clips are in place, it's time to install the rear tailgate panel back onto the tailgate. Once the tailgate panel is completely secure against the tailgate itself, go ahead and reinstall the tailgate latch panel, bottom first. Position, pop it into place. Now that the tailgate panel is secured against the back of your tailgate itself, it's going to eliminate all those pesky little squeaks and rattles that you hear while driving. Definitely gets rid of those distractions. So we hope that this helps. Again, this was a quick overview of how to do this project. So if you have further questions, you can call one of our staff at 800-444-6473 or check out our website. Our kits come with detailed instructions, so it makes it simple to fix in your driveway. And we just hope that makes your drive a little bit easier. So thanks for watching.